I'm Neil and I'm the owner of Mad About Horror. Although we are still a smallish company, we're probably the biggest horror and Halloween specialist supplier in Europe. I don't think we could exist without a good digital infrastructure. It's just not possible to run the type of business that we do. Up until a few months ago, we were on a very basic internet connection. I think it was something like, I think it was the basic ADSL connection. And we were getting 6-7 megabits per second download speed and such a minute upload speed that it really wasn't worth having. But then we came across the Gigabit Voucher Scheme, which is obviously where the government provide a voucher and a grant towards having fibre installed directly. To be honest, it was really, really simple, and KCOM helped us with that. It was just, just fill in the initial form to get it installed, and the government provide the money direct to the installer, which happened to be KCOM, and we didn't need to be involved in any of that. It was far, far simpler than I ever expected it to be. As a result, we've now been able to have fibre to the property installed. It's transformed the way that we do our business, and without the Gigabit Voucher Scheme, we couldn't achieve half of what we achieve on a daily basis.